Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis over on Innovation Eyewear, ticker Lucy. So to get straight into it, it is up 150% as we're recording this. It is the leading gapper today. So what are going to be those key support and resistances? And weird enough, I did actually do a video on it, I think it was about 3 months or so back. As you can see, kind of on this previous big move, we did catch that top near enough to a T, just using the standard deviation channels that we're going to be using right now. So again, it made the majority of this move already. We hit $4.10 and $3.90. Now these were our third deviations on both the 6 month and the 1 year. We can see obviously coming into this level, we came into it pre-market. As soon as we hit this, we started to pull back into the open, tried to break it, couldn't really do it. And again, we're just getting a lot of hesitation around this level. So as of right now, I don't think there's much trading opportunity. What we would really need to be waiting for is if we can break higher, then it's paying attention to those fourth deviations. So that would be $4.80 and $5 and about 5 cents. So those levels are quite close. I'd probably use them a bit more as a zone than individual levels. But yeah, if we can break that intraday high, and if we can break up to that 480 to around 505, again, this is going to be kind of where I would be flipping my bias on the stock, really starting to look at a lot more short buyers coming into this level. Again, probably not going to be able to get shares to borrow. There is no option, so it may be a tricky stock to short unless you're maybe on a platform like Cobra or something. If you can get shares, and yeah, that's kind of the area I'm personally looking at. Otherwise, the way I'll probably be looking to do it is playing the bounces on the way down, because again, then we don't need the short locates, which may be hard to get on a stock like this. And again, how are we going to do those levels? So if we start coming into the 480 to 505, as we start to pull back again, this 410 level is going to be a high probability bounce area. So I'll just be looking to play the bounce off here, probably have a target. Again, if it's more of kind of a scalp, probably to about 430. If we're looking to hold it a bit further, you know, maybe that 450. But again, we play it as a bounce is probably how I'll be looking at these levels, just because again, then we can really increase the hit rate of these trades. So again, that's kind of the main focus for now. If we continue to pull back from there, we do have more supports. We'll be paying attention to around 315 to around 305. If we fall lower, I'm then paying attention to around 215. That's the first deviation of both the 6 month and the 1 year. This level will be quite strong considering how close they are. I mean, they're only about 4 cent difference from each other. So yeah, really be paying attention to this level if we can pull back this far. Really looking for a bounce play off this. May even be able to play this all the way to about $3. And if we continue any lower down, this is where I'm going to kind of start ignoring that stock, because from 125, this is where we hit our statistical mean on the 1 year and basically our statistical mean on the 6 months. This is basically considered fair value. I don't trade stock at fair value because, again, if we're trading, we want some sort of an edge. And well, at fair value, again, it's kind of a gamble. We'll probably be waiting for some sort of fundamental catalyst for it to make up its decision. So really just trading it within that range, I think, is just kind of a gamble. But again, I'll trade to it. So if I was holding the stock short, if I was able to hold those shares short, I was able to get those locates, that would be my absolute final target. But again, not looking to hold it short past that level. So those would be the key supports. Again, we did state those resistances. Really, we can't go any higher from a standard deviation perspective, but it would just be those psychological levels if we did go higher. So that would just be obviously the $6, the $7, the $8, the $9, and the $10. And obviously, as we continue up, just those really key psychological levels. But really, I do think it would be quite unlikely if we kind of break and close above that $5 level. So I wouldn't be paying too much attention to that for the time being. And again, even if we do get above that level, it'll probably just be something I stay away from anyway, because then it's trading very parabolic. It's going to be hard to trade from kind of any technical reasons. So it would be something I would just wait for it to calm down that bit. Anyway, that is the breakdown over on Lucy, so Innovation Eyewear. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.